Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can recover Sims 4 deleted save files. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go on search and write documents. Alright, and once you basically got to the documents folder, you need to go to Electronic Arts, Sims 4, and then you should see saves folder here. So need to press on that, and probably you will see more files here because I got it just for test purposes only. But then when you got to this folder here, saves, you need to make sure that you select date modified, and in the front you will see the most recent saves. So there is two types of files in this basically folder: your saves and your save backup file. So for example, if you delete the save here and if you want to get it back, what you need to do here is to this one is your backup file, so with var and 0 on the end. So what you need to do here, if you want to basically recover your save file, is to rename this, just delete this part here and press yes. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to basically recover your Sims 4 deleted save file. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.